Welcome back, and good afternoon, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this. But today, we are working on 92 Jeep. Pulling the transmission out. I have already switched this. Already started pulling the transmission out. Got the cross member off. Long arms are hanging. Drive shafts are out. Trans mounts out. Getting ready to drain it. This one is the one I like to call the Hulk. That back window used to look a lot better when I first got it on there. That was, shoot, 6 years ago? But yeah, it's been sitting with that transmission for about a year and a month or so. And I'm finally getting time to be able to do that. I really like these Jeep Cherokees. They seem to do really good off-road. Yeah. Let's get to it.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving.
So, I just want to say how rude of Jeep to do this to these nuts that are in a hidden spot, and they're not 14 millimeters, they're 9/16. Yet everything, this is a 13, these are 18s, 13s. What, I don't, that's rude. That's just rude. Let's box them in so that you can't really get to them. Just saying. Rude. Anyway, back to what I was doing.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me.
So I know that this will only work if you have a lift, but little trick that I've been using since I started pulling transmissions, at least on a lift, I don't know how long it's been many years, but for the ones that are oh heck, you can't even see them, but they're up here on the top. If they happen to be real tight and you can't get them by hand, I've got, let's see if I can stick this up here. Yeah, you can see it from that side. You can see my wrench up there. Yeah, that's terrible. I use a strap. Hook it on my wrench once you fight your arm up in there, because if you're big like me, you can't get your hands up in there. And then pull on the strap. And now, if you can see, it wrenches easily. As a matter of fact, it's finger tight now. Just a little tip.
With me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me.
I do have to say that you got to make sure that while you're doing this, if you're doing this to your own Jeep, that awesome little crankshaft position sensor, 11mm bolts, or what is it? I just used it. Seven 16ths or 11mm. They're basically the same. Yeah. If you don't do that, you'll rip your wires out, and then when you put everything back, your Jeep won't start. Awesome stuff. And I don't remember if this is the same as the... Yep. These up here are, I believe, they're either E12s. Pretty sure it's an E12. E12 bolt. Which is an awesome looking socket. It's basically, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like this in reverse. Fun stuff. Those are all over Audis and Mercedes, but you would never think that would be on an American-made car. Just saying. Back to business.
Just tell me that I can.
Another useful tip right there, not sure if you can see it, right there, it's 13mm bolt. There's also one way up there, and let's move this light back over to this other side. Oh geez, way up above that side. Come on. Way up above this, up here. You gotta take those out too. Make sure that you get all three of them, because if you don't, you're not gonna have a good day. Just saying. Little hints, tips. People that have done it before, you already know. If you haven't, well, you do now.
Didn't say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease.
So I forgot to do a couple things. I got it back down on the ground, kind of, because I don't want to go too far out of the front axle friggin' swing back, and yeah, wouldn't be too happy. But right back here there are a couple electrical clips that go down to the transmission, as well as this kickdown cable that is, as I drop my flashlight, right here. Kickdown cable has to come out of there. Oh look, that's broke. That's awesome. And go down through there, as well as the electrical connections. The pigtails have to go down through there to get the transmission out, and I forgot to do that, which just goes to show, no matter how long you've done this or been doing this, you know, you can forget things. So if you're doing it for your first time, don't get frustrated with yourself. If you're doing it for your 50 millionth time, don't get frustrated with yourself. Just take it as it goes. Job will get done. Okay, so I got the kickdown cable out. That's gonna go down through there. And then hopefully this isn't too blinding, like blinding the shot. But you see that little black electrical connector down there? There's that one, and then there's that gray one down there. Those two have to be disconnected from up here. Or I guess really those three things need to be disconnected from up top. And you should do that before you get down below to pull the transmission out, that's for sure. Anyway.
Who's at the top? Think I'm gonna erase that, face it. I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Where's my kickdown cable? Excuse me, folks, I've been a little bit sick. What's this one? Did I miss one? What is that? Oh! What is that? Oh! Oh, that didn't go as planned. Right? Okay. Let's see if I got everything disconnected. Cooler lines are disconnected. Kickdown cable's disconnected. Kickdown cable. Yay! Yay, I got it. Don't rip on those cables, please. Heck yeah. Nice. Well, that doesn't sound right. Okay, that's where my other dowel is. It's in the transmission. That should sound like a bell if it's not cracked, and it doesn't seem like it's cracked. But it doesn't sound like a bell because of that backing plate. Anyway, we got it out, and yeah. Thanks for watching.